In previous videos, we have demoed our eWasm technology for the Cosmos SDK, and Mythos is the first incarnation of this tech. Until now, the smart contracts that are uploaded on Mythos were eWasm contracts, an EVM-flavored WebAssembly. So the previous process, and you can see that in the demo linked in the description, was to compile Solidity, get the EVM bytecode, and transpile it into WebAssembly, and this entire process was done off-chain. But now this process has been integrated on-chain. This means that you can send the EVM bytecode directly to the chain. So Mythos now guarantees that a smart contract deployed on Ethereum can be redeployed on Mythos and proven to be the exact same. So this is how uploading and instantiating a smart contract works now. We have loaded here our Mythos Remix plugin, and we have done that by connecting to a local plugin and using our dApp URL. We have compiled a contract. We can see the compilation information with the bytecode, ABI, and WebAssembly text format. But if we go to the Upload tab, we can just deploy the EVM bytecode directly. We can see here the Cosmos message store code EVM, the data, and the bytecode in base 64. Let's approve. And now we can get the transaction hash. We see the code ID is 15. We get the transaction hash. And we see the transaction here, the EVM bytecode in base 64, and the code checksum and the code ID, which is 15. And now we can go to the Instantiate tab. We have the code ID here. We can instantiate the contract. And then interact with it. So we have just changed the storage value in our contract. Contracts in our system can be uploaded once and referenced and used for multiple instantiations. But we can also upload EVM bytecode using CLI commands directly. So if we open a terminal here, we can run the wasmx store EVM with the actual bytecode in hex format. And now let's look at this transaction hash. And we see that we have deployed it. This is the EVM bytecode in base 64 format. And we have a code hash and a code ID 16. In this video, you have seen direct EVM bytecode deployment on a Cosmos SDK chain with an EVM WebAssembly execution engine. The EVM bytecode will be transpiled into eWasm executables. The chain will guarantee the integrity of the transformation. And you can demonstrate that a smart contract deployed on another chain, like Ethereum, is the same as the one deployed on Mythos. And the original EVM bytecode will also be deployed as a witness of the transformation. The original bytecode is integrated in the WebAssembly binary. So now you can deploy thoroughly examined code bases from Etherscan and Sourceify on your eWasm-powered Cosmos chain. And the Mythos chain has deep compatibility with the Cosmos ecosystem, unlike Ethermint, which is a wrapper over Go Ethereum. So on Mythos, you can deploy eWasm directly or EVM bytecode.